How long does a criminal case usually take in Tulsa? Hi, my name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing family and criminal law for about 8 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by just talking a little bit about what kind of timeline you're looking at if you've been charged with a crime in the state of Oklahoma. So I'm going to talk specifically about misdemeanors right now because there's a little bit of a difference between misdemeanors versus felonies, and I want to try to keep our focus as limited and focused as possible here. Um, in a perfect world, you can have a misdemeanor completely wrapped up and pled out or dismissed in 30 days. Unfortunately, this isn't a perfect world. So, what you're looking at is you're looking at a bare minimum of two, possibly three case settings before you can get the case pled out. You're looking at your initial appearance and arraignment, you're looking at your first sounding docket date, and most likely at least one Allen hearing date. So, sounding docket basically means are we going to plead it, are we going to set it, are we going to dismiss it? What are we going to do? 99 times out of 100 in those situations, we need discovery or we need the evidence from the state. So that's when the court sets it for what's called an Allen hearing. Every time the case gets reset, it's kicked out about a month past where you were before. So from your arraignment to your sounding docket, there's a month. From your sounding docket to your Allen hearing, that's a month. Now, assuming that the state's actually given us our evidence that we need at that point and actually had a conversation with us about negotiating some sort of uh, plea deal, at that 2 month mark, at that third hearing, you can get done unless the evidence hasn't been made available, which happens a lot. In which case, you'll keep getting reset for Allen hearing after Allen hearing until you finally get discovery, get everything, and then you're at disposition, which is your final hearing of are we pleading this or are we setting it? So the realistic answer is you could be looking at a minimum of 30 days or at most, and this is assuming that you're not taking the case to trial. This is only for either getting a plea deal or a dismissal. You can be looking at up to 6 months after you were arrested before the case gets completely wrapped up. These things can take a while, but the time is worth it to make sure that it's done correctly, to make sure that your rights are protected. If you have questions about this, or if you're not sure where you are at in the process, give us a call. My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy. Thank you.